So the NHS are looking for value in technology, and value means different things in different ways. Easily broken down into the categories of the value to the patient, the value to the care provider, the hospital for using it, and the value to the person that's paying for it, the payer. So let's talk about some of the values for patients. I mean, anything that gives a less invasive, faster recovery, fewer complications, better quality of life, are real value parts for patients. They're unlikely to come back again, and they're going to have a good and successful treatment. When it comes to provider of care value, hospitals are businesses, and it's their business to treat the population that they serve as quickly and as effectively and as successfully as possible. When it comes to the payer of care, they're the ones that pay the hospital to treat the patients, and what they want is to try and keep emergency patients away because they're unexpected, they're expensive, they have a disruption on the actual hospital if you get emergency admissions coming in. But they're also looking for keeping patients out of intensive care, having fewer appointments and follow-up appointments, and they're the ones that are looking to save money. And if it's saving money by offering a more expensive procedure that's more durable and has a longer health benefit for the patient, then that is value for a payer perspective. And then finally, having invented and spent tens of millions, maybe hundreds of millions of pounds on developing your technology, you need return on your investment as well. And for that, you need to look at the value of your technology to patients, providers and payers. And you need to price your product accordingly and make sure that the patients that really need it the most get the technology. So optimization of price, maximization of access of the technology to patients who need it is really, really important. And it saddens me when companies launch products, they compete on price, which devalues all the work and all the invention and all the man hours and all the investment and time that's gone into inventing them just to compete on price with their competitors, particularly when they offer great value for patients, providers and payers. So it's one of the biggest mistakes that companies do, is not price their products accordingly. And unfortunately, the two people that lose and gain the most are patients and investors. Patients gain when they have new technologies and they work and they're durable and successful, and so do the investors. But if they don't, then that's the greatest loss.